front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Privacy section. Following that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features. I will go with Location. Then pick an app by clicking on it. For example, Photos, and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with Allow only while using, so when I go back, as you can see, Photos just gained access to this device location if I'm using Photos app. But you can always go back, tap on any feature, and then select one of your apps, like for example Maps. Now click on See All Maps permissions instead and manage all of them from here only for this app. Just like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!